What's up everyone, and welcome back to you on the Moonchart channel. I hope that you are doing very well as always. So today we're going to update the Bitcoin chart. Finally, I hope that you watched the previous update on Bitcoin, because this is just absolutely awesome here. I changed a bit wave by the way, but yeah, we're going to see that. So yeah, before to start, don't forget to smash the like button. This is really important for me. It helped me a lot, and if you want to subscribe to the channel, do not hesitate. You're welcome here, okay? And by the way, if you want to join a cool Discord server, you just have to click right below on the link in the description. And yeah, if you want to try a VIP role where you have all of my ways, what I expect, which way I expect, you can try the VIP role. There is a 2-day free trial, so feel free to join us. Sorry. Anyway, so let's start with this update on Bitcoin. So I changed a bit well, as I told you. I'm more with the WXY here simply because, yeah, I mean, I'm going to remove smaller waves here and show you bigger wave 2. You know, I was so wave 1, 2 here as always. I'm going to do that really quickly, you know, just to show the context here. Red took wave 2 after this. Wave 2 low normally, but yeah, inside this wave 2 we have to get a correction wave, of course. So inside, you know, previously inside this wave 2 I was with 1, 2, 3 or 5 here, so it was like wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a leading here, but simply the leading on the RSI you have to read it like that, you know. So it will be a wave 1 here, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and the wave 5 have to go low or high depending on the trend, but here it will be low here, down the wave 3 top, so bottom here on the RSI. That will be for the downside, and if you were going to the upside, it will be like that, you know, not like an impulsive, a bit lower here. An impulsive have to get the divergence. A leading or an ending have to be, the wave 5 have to be higher than this, than the wave 3. I mean, have to be. Most of the time it go. But here, as you can see, the wave 5 just right there. If I draw you that once again, wave 2, 3, wave 4. The wave 5 don't go lower than the wave 3, so for me it's not really valid. So that's why I will be more inside this WXY here. So let me just find that. I will be more with an ABC just right there, okay, with 5 waves. So not the target don't really matter with this, but correction wave, you know, so we don't really care about this. So that's why I think more about an ABC just right there with the 5 waves here, okay, 5 way down just right there. Then a B retracement with a flat inside, so flat. Leave it, because the retracement of the B wave is not good at all. You know, a flat is like for beginners. So B retracement, then the C wave. So the B retracement is 90% or 123, okay, of the A wave. So 90% retracement. Oh, by the way, I don't have the 90% retracement. I'm going to add that directly. Going to save that for flat. Oops. Perfect. So yeah, first target of the B wave is a 90% retracement. Then you have the 123 just right there. So if you watch at what we have done here, that will be an ABC inside this B wave here. Okay, just right there. A waves and the B retracements and the C wave, because we have 5 waves to the upside here. So that's why that's the only possible move we have done here. I don't find something else, but as you can see, we didn't reach any target. But anyway, went a bit more down, so we'll take the case that normally it's a flat. For me, it's valid. We are in correction wave and we can do some crazy things here, so that's not a problem in my opinion. Then if you go, so I'm gonna go on the 15 minutes here just to show that. But as you can see here, I mean that will be a C wave simply because we have 5 waves here with a nice leading in, as you can see here. That's a great example. For example here on the RSI, you can see wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 appear in an A wave or in a wave 1 of an impulsive. Now if you check at the RSI, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the wave 5 go low. So that's a nice leading. Yes, leading we have here. So really good. So target don't really match with these two with impulsive, but this is what I can't personally on this chart here, okay. Then on the move we have done here, I will place more a WXY like that, so still with another flat inside just right there. Really strange flat, by the way, but the B retracement is not good at all, but this is the only move I can see here, okay. So a W, an X wave, and a C, a Y leg, sorry, to the upside here with the most common patterns here. ABC inside, so going to show that. ABC zigzag, so 5 ways, 3 ways, 5 ways to the upside. If you was on the Discord tab as VIP, you will get this wave to the upside. I was with this wave to the upside here, with a short planet around the high here, so away some here. Just right there. So I'm going to no, I'm going to just set it like that. So yeah, WXY here inside. So the thing is that can be, for example, not a WXY here, okay, X retracement. That can be an ABC flat, for example, because we have three ways inside, and then we should get 5 ways. That was an ABC flat. But here with the retracement we have done, and with smaller waves that we have done normally the top of the X wave here. I will place more at WXY simply because, first of all, the retracement for a flat is not. We have to reach 90% or 123, so that's not reach it. So that's why I will place more WXY here, and yeah, that's all. That's why I'm more with the WXY here. So now the thing is, okay, I just show you previous waves on the market, but now what can we expect here? So the thing is, for example, just right there we got a W's and an X waves and a Y leg here to the upside. In the Y leg we have more chance to get an A, B, C. So now if you have 5 waves to the downside, we can expect an A, a B, and a C wave to the downside, C wave to the downside, A, B, C wave to the downside here. Okay, in the Y leg we have more chance because that's a Y leg. Okay, W, X, Y. Inside the Y leg we have more chance. Most of the time we have an A, B, C zigzag. So A, B, C zigzag just for beginners. No, blue, perfect. Most common retracement 38.2, okay, and I'm going to do that with a good template. Most common retracement are the 38.2 of the A waves and the 61.8, and then the 85.4. That's the maximum target. We should not go lower than this if we're in a zigzag. For example, here that will be the zigzag pattern here, okay. So 5 waves impulsive or leading in the first wave. Oops, okay, in the A wave just right there. So this one, 5 ways. Oof, that's ugly 5 ways. Apologize for this, but anyway, you understood me. So ending possible inside the C wave, but most of the time we have an impulsive triple correction, triangle, whatever you want inside correction wave in the B wave, and then the 5 ways to the upside. Okay, so here that's what we should get. We can expect with statistics that we'll have more chance to get an A wave. Okay, took an A wave, a B retracement, and a C wave here. Okay, A, B, C. Now for now it's a bit early to say that, and the work here is more for VIPs, you know, the Discord server. But this is normally the ABC we should get just right there. Okay, we can still get, for example, a triangle. Okay, a WXY, you cannot get a triangle in the W wave, in the X wave, but you can get in a Y leg. You cannot also finish a Y leg with a WXY, for example, like that. This is not possible to get a WXY inside a Y leg. Okay, so here, for example, it's possible that we do an A wave, a B, a C, a D, a E wave, and after this, boom, wave 2, wave 2 down, Y leg down, and we are absolutely going to rocket. Okay, so we have a lot of possibilities, but yeah, if we play with statistics, as I told you, we have more chance to get an A, B, C zigzag here. So now the thing is, which target is expected on this wave 2? On a wave 2, we have 73% chance, so that's just absolutely huge, to retrace 50, between the 50 and the 61.8 retracement. Okay, so between the 50 61.8 retracement here, we have 73% chance to go here. Okay, this is just absolutely huge. So if we play one more time with statistics, we'll have more chance to go there. Okay, now I'm going just to change the template as wave 2. Okay, that the 50%, that the 61.8 retracement, so that will be the buy zone. Okay, for this wave 2, just right there. We'll remove that, just leave the green square here. Okay, so now the thing will be to see if with targets of this Y leg that will match or not. Okay, so firstly on the W wave top, then secondly on the W wave bottom. So first on the W roots, then on the W top or bottom. That's a downtrend, so that will be more the bottom here, and then on the X retracement. Okay, here as you can see, so first I'm going to at each target that where we can start. Okay, for example, if we're super bullish, we can start on the 61.8 first target. Then we are maybe going to then we have the 100% target here. Then we have the 123 that will match with the 50% retracement. Then we have the maximum target 161.8 that will match with the 61.8 retracement, the low of the green square. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have targets inside the box, but we have targets on the 50% and on the 61.8. Okay, so yeah, this is just a way somewhat we have here. So now we have every possible target. Normally, sorry, we have more chance to get an A, okay, an A wave, a B, and a C retracement. Most common retracement for a B wave, as I told you, for a zigzag, okay, not for a flat, but for a zigzag at the 38 point. Of course, we can stop on other targets, okay, but we have more chance with statistics to stop on the 38.2, on the 61.8, and that is invalidate. I mean, this is the maximum target. We should not go higher than this if we're in a B wave of a zigzag, okay. So yeah, I think let me just show you some few things here, some levels. I'm just going to remove some Elliott waves here. Gonna go on the 4 hour here. Just want to see if there is some confluence, for example, just with these levels. Okay, weekly, monthly, daily levels here. If there is some good levels, oops, that will act as support. Okay, because yeah, I'm just going to draw the wave, but that will be a wave 1, okay, wave 1, then the wave 2 between the 50-61.8 retracement, then the wave 3 for 5. So you can see here, between the 50-61.8, we don't have a lot of levels just right there. We have a weekly level that is not really touched a lot of times, so for me that's still a support. But as you can see here, we have a weekly level, so a strong level, okay, a strong support between the 50-61 points. So as you can see, it will bring us around 51k. Premise, we don't have the Y-leg targets. If I add Y-leg targets on the chart here, where is the exact top? Perfect. The low will be just right there, and as you can see, we don't have an exact target on the level, but as you can see, we can, for example, we can just do an A, a B, and a C here, do a wick here to touch that level, and just bounce off this level, and after this, boom, 1, 2, 3, or 5, bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are good to rocket, okay. So that can be something we can do here, but as you can see, we have a weekly level just right between the 50-61.8. Before we have some strong level too. For example, this daily level is really strong because we have a naked part of control here, a weekly one. So I mean, that's for not for beginner, but we have some strong support level before, of course, to break before to go there. But keep in mind, I'm going to go back on this one, okay, and just add back, you know, the retracement here, just to show you, you know, we have more chance to go between the 50 and the 61.8 retracement. But keep in mind, a wave 2, which it just we have more chance to go there. We can still go more down, we can still stop before. So do not be surprised, for example, if we start on the 38.2, we just pump from here. Do not be surprised, this is absolutely possible. As you can see, we have a target a bit more down, so it's possible that we go like that, for example, do a wave 2 here, do a C wave here, and we're good, okay, and we have done everything. So that's why 5 waves inside the first A wave, retracement wave, triangle, WXY, ABC, zigzag inside, and all WXY Z2, but that's more in rare case. And then the C wave, we'll have to get 5 waves inside the last wave. So for now, it's a bit early to say that we are in an ABC, as I told you. But yeah, pay attention to smaller waves, okay? Really important. Anyway, if you want more and more updates, like every day, get all my waves, get every information that I can give you, do not hesitate to join the Discord 7, try the VIP role, it's up to you, of course, you do whatever you want. And so yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this update. I hope that I was clear in my explanation. As always, if you have any question, do not hesitate, this is a pleasure for me to answer you. And yes, stay safe, take care of you, and yeah, see you next time.